How to add shrink animation in Wix Studio. So in order to add a shrink animation, head over and then just choose the element that you want to apply this with. Now, once you click onto that element, click onto this Open Inspector icon that we can see on our upper right corner. Click onto this icon, which is Animations and Effects, and then from in there you should be able to see this. So you can apply it into the click animation itself. So let me head over and start from the first. Go over right here into your click animation and click onto this add option. From in there, you can see in here the shrink option. So head over and then click on that right there. You should be able to apply a shrink animation to this image that we have. So once you're done, just head over and then make sure that autosave is on and click onto this publish in order to save the changes and publish it into your site. So that's how you add shrink animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.